Yes, so my dear students, I hope you have watched the previous video based on the concept of xylem and phloem, and I believe that you have understood it really very well and have liked my video. Well, moving ahead, let's go to page number 8, where we'll be studying about the absorption of water. Till now we have studied that okay, xylem conducts water, phloem conducts food, but now we will be studying that how is the water, just a second, how is the water absorbed by roots, right? So as you can see on page 8, you see that, can you see this word epidermis? Yes, this is the outermost layer of the roots. What is epidermis? The word epi means upper and the word dermis means what? Dermis is skin or layer. Okay, that's why the doctors who specializes in skin are called as dermatologists. Okay, because of the word this derma or dermis. All right, so this is an outer covering of the roots. It is like it protects the roots from unwanted attack by microorganisms. All right, now the thing is that you can see a protrusion here from the epidermis, right? These are the root hairs. Here you see this hair, small hair like structures from the roots. They are called the root hairs. Well, this is the main root, okay, which is called the primary root. And when some roots, they come out of the primary root, this one from the main root, in this way they are called the secondary roots. And what is the root cap? This root cap is just like the cap we have of a pen, right? It's just like that. So that what happens is that if the root cap is present here, then this surface of the root, which keeps on growing and growing and growing and growing and growing, this tip does not get damaged while forcing its way or pushing its way into the soil. All right, same, this root cap will also be present here also, the tip region, so that the tips, they stay protected and they don't get damaged. All right, so that is the thing. Now let's concentrate on root here. So you can see on the primary root, on the main root, you can see some hair like structure. These are the root hairs. Here also you can see some hair like structure. These are the root hairs, and even here you can see, in fact you will see root hairs in all the tips of the roots. And what is the purpose of the root hair? When the root hair is present in maximum number, they help to absorb water more. The water absorption increases. Okay, they take in more amount of water. Now the thing is that this epidermis or the root hair, it is made up of a cell membrane. Okay, it is made up of a cell membrane, and this cell membrane are semi-permeable in nature. That means this cell membrane does not allow all the materials present in the soil to enter the plants. Not all materials can enter the roots and then go up to the shoots. Understood? So they are very selectively permeable. Again, another thing is that, well, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this. I am going to rub and I'm going to show something. Okay. Now, the thing is, I talked about the cell membrane which is present here, a layer, right, which is selectively permeable. That means it allows only water and minerals to enter this plant via the roots. They don't allow any other things to go. Now the question is, okay, we know that water enters, mineral enters to the root via with the help of the root hairs. But what is the name of the process that water moves from the soil inside the roots? The name of the process is osmosis. Osmosis. Okay, what is osmosis? When water molecules, right, they move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, it's even given in your book, page 8, is a process where water moves from region of high concentration to a region of its lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. This one, can you see? This is the semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. All right, so you can see that water moves from, we can see again, the video will start. See, water is more here, more water is here, and less water is here. Water is less here, though it's same level of liquid, but the water concentration here is less. Okay, now from more concentration through a semi-permeable membrane, the water is going to move into this area. All right, just see for yourself. Yes, it's moving from a more concentration to a less concentration of water area. Now what has happened? We can see that this area now becomes, the water concentration is less here, and here it's more. So again, from higher concentration to lower concentration, it will move, and it keeps on moving in this way. But the question is, now you may ask, why are you saying about osmosis? That means what happens here, you see, we keep on watering the roots of the plants, right? Roots of the plants, that means this area, the soil region, the concentration of water is more, isn't it? And the concentration of water in this root is, concentration of water is less here. So what did we understand from the process of osmosis? That water moves from a concentration of high to low. So here in the soil, the water concentration is more, so it will move from this region to a region where the water concentration is less, and in this way the water will keep on moving upward in the plant. So this is the way by which water is absorbed by the roots. I hope this is clear. If not, please rewatch this video. Thank you.